Good Thursday evening, Southeast Texas. Hope you're staying warm tonight. Looking at some light rain here in the Triangle, possibly mixed here in the Triangle. No precipitation expected in the lakes. One thing I am sure of is it's going to be cold tonight as wind chills dip tomorrow morning into the low to mid 20s. We'll explain more on this small, unlikely chance of frozen precipitation or a wintry mix. Tomorrow, with any luck, we ought to see some sun Friday afternoon as highs reach the middle 40s after a cold start. That will open the door to a hard freeze potential as we head towards Saturday. Tomorrow morning should see mid to upper 20s in the lakes area, right at freezing here in the Triangle. Wind chills tomorrow morning will be in the low to mid 20s. So take care of those pipes, especially up in the lakes if you have anything exposed. Everybody will see probably a hard freeze coming up Saturday morning, so it's all about the 4 Ps then. Then as we head towards Saturday morning, we'll likely see the mid and upper 20s across the area. So right now we're scanning the skies, looking off towards our north and west. Radar shows a lot on displaying a lot, and right now a lot of this is not reaching the ground, so radar is going to basically falsely show you maybe the potential of freezing precipitation over the area. But a lot of this is not going to reach the ground tomorrow, overnight and tomorrow morning. Why? At the cloud level, obviously cold enough for those snowflakes to come on down. And then with the dry air, a lot of it's going to evaporate between the ground and the clouds. That's what's happening aloft. Radar is scanning up in the sky, but what happens below that beam and what reaches the ground, a lot of times the precipitation doesn't reach the ground. Otherwise, case in point, where by 7 p.m. some spotty showers are possible. We'll go with a 20, maybe 30% coverage. And by midnight, we're still above freezing. The key tonight, besides the dry air, is the timing. By the time we get to freezing in the Triangle, all that could be off towards our south and east, away from our area, and we're left dry. Okay, I got a 20 to 30% coverage of light rain, possibly mixed with some sleet pellets. I'm not expecting any issues as far as roadways or bridges tonight. After a cold morning, skies will begin to clear out tomorrow afternoon. With any luck, we could see highs in the mid 40s, starting to warm up as we head towards Saturday afternoon. Small craft advisory in effect for the Gulf of Mexico. Choppy seas around 2 to 4 feet in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see north winds at 15 to 20 knots, water temperature 58. Our forecast tonight, no precipitation expected in the lakes. You'll see lows in the mid to upper 20s. The Triangle, 20 to 30% coverage of rain, possibly mixed with some sleet pellets. Again, I'm not expecting any problems on the roadways tomorrow. Going to be a windy night, and that drives the wind chills down in the mid to upper 20s. Tomorrow, after a cold, raw start, we'll see some sun tomorrow afternoon and then warm temperatures up into the middle 40s. So a green bar day tomorrow. Saturday morning, that's when everybody needs to make sure that they're taking care of the 4 Ps. Lots of sun, only 54, low to mid 50s Saturday. We're going with the yellow bar day just because it's going to be so chilly in the morning Saturday. Sunday, another freeze, so that's 3 mornings here in the Triangle of freezing temperatures. Highs in the mid to upper 50s on Sunday. Monday, well, here we go. Another system comes in, and it'll bring us a 90% coverage of rain, probably an inch. Back to dry and sun and cool on Tuesday. Clouds come back in on Wednesday. An iffy 30% coverage. May have to double that coming up as we head towards Thursday in tomorrow's forecast once I become a little more confident. Regardless, next 3 days are going to be cold across Southeast Texas. Stay warm and be careful with those space heaters, and you might want to check those smoke alarm batteries just in case. Hey, I hope you and your family have a wonderful warm night. Remember, there's always more weather at 12newsnow.com/weather. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter and download our app. Stay safe.